Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, animate CC 2020 or later and organized assets. Once confirmed, import artwork with layers and convert interactive parts to symbols. Next, assign an instance name to the target object so code can reference it. Open the Actions panel and set the playhead to the frame where the animation should begin. This is your trigger point. Then, add a named function placeholder. We'll populate it next, because clear references prevent scope errors and make debugging faster. Now implement the trigger. Attach an event listener to the instance, for example, target. Add event listener, click on trigger. In the handler, change properties or start tweens. For timeline control, use goto and play, label, or goto and stop frame. Make sure to prevent multiple activations by disabling the listener or toggling a state flag. Also, pass arguments if you need data-driven behavior, and test interactions step by step, so you can see which property or keyframe is responsible for the result. Finish by cleaning up. Remove event listeners when they are no longer needed, or debounce them to avoid repeat firing. Export and test in the actual runtime, browser, or AIR because behavior can differ. If the trigger does not fire, inspect instance names and ensure the code runs after the elements are created. One common fix is moving code to frame scripts or init functions. Finally, open the console for errors. A missing reference or scope issue is the usual culprit, so fix those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.